What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Sunday, August 9th. Holy crap, it's already August 9th. This summer flew by. There's flying by, something. Going by quick. Anyway, we just picked up our load there at the yard and we're heading back out on the road. And we are headed to, I say we, the youngster's not with me this week. I do have Big Al on the dash riding around, so I guess we'll call him we. Or part of we. Anyway, we're headed out to, where are we going? We got 3 stops over in Georgia. Our first stop is in Cartersville, Georgia, tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. And then we got a second stop in Kennesaw, Georgia, with a final in Forest Park, Georgia. Can't remember the name of the places, but we got water heaters. So I'm guessing it's plumbing supply joints. But that's what's up. We're rolling out. We're on the way. We're on the road. We'll see what we get this week. Take care. Peace out. See you later. Bye-bye. What's up, ladies and gents? It is Monday, August 10th. I'm sitting here at stop number 2. It turns out, I didn't mention this in the other video, or the previous video, whichever way it is. This load of 3 stops I'm delivering today is the load I brought down from Bradford White, Middleville, Michigan. I dropped it off on the yard on Thursday, and I ended up with it to start off the week. Funny thing is, I just got here to stop 2. Well, I've been here a few minutes. They're unloading me. Got here, there's a Bradford White truck here. I was like, well, that's weird, since I'm delivering Bradford White product. I've got 47 water heaters for this place. Turns out he had 62, which I thought must be nice to have money to send 2 trucks and split the load. I don't know. I'm sure there's some logistics in there where there's back ordered or something. I don't know, but it's kind of odd. But anyway, we're here at stop 2 in Kennesaw, Georgia, and they should be done with me here pretty soon. Man, it's hot down here. Dash is reading 99 degrees already, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning here. But yeah, we're here in Kennesaw. We got one more stop over in Forest Park, Georgia, which is kind of southeast of Atlanta. We'll see if we make it on time, you know, with Atlanta traffic. But that's what's up. Been some tight places so far. Hopefully this third one will be a little easier. First one kind of sucked. This one was all right, but they're doing road work out here where you come in, which probably ain't the best way to come in anyway. So I had to loop around, find somewhere to turn around, come back, hit a side street, and come in the back way, which was better for the setup. But that's it. We can get finished here and head down to Forest Park. See you soon.
Continue on Hunters Point Line.
Good morning, people. It is Tuesday morning, August 11th. Never got back with you guys yesterday after stop 2, but got on to stop 3. All 3 of those stops yesterday were kind of a cluster. Kind of tight, one-way street kind of thing where you got to figure out how to turn around so you can set up and back in without blindside. When you could blindside, it would just been tight, been toughy. But anyway, we got those 3 stops off, and now we are. We had a load assignment. Come back to Lebanon, Tennessee, swap trailers, and take a load up to Plymouth, Michigan. So by the time I got back, That third stop took forever, so by the time I got back, I only had an hour or two left on my clock. Wasn't really enough time to get anywhere. Anywhere of any substance, but still find parking. So about 7 o'clock or so, I guess. So we just went ahead and called it a day. And right now it is about 5:30. No, it's about 5:20. No, I can't tell time. 5:50. We left about 5:30. And so we're just making our way on up to Plymouth. Right now we're driving the back roads from Lebanon up to Kentucky. It'll pop and shoot us out up there on 65 around Scottsville or somewhere. But that's your update for now. We're just gonna head that way. Take care. See you soon. Alright, so we just got to Plymouth with this trailer, and we are going to do a drop and hook. So we're going to drop this trailer over here in dock 4 and grab the trailer that's in dock 3. And hopefully this all goes smoothly. Kind of a tight little area, so we'll see. Tight little area right here. Alright, good morning. It is Wednesday morning, August 12th. It's about 6 a.m. We got delivered up to Plymouth, Michigan yesterday afternoon. They told me to grab an empty trailer and come down here to Ottawa Lake, which works for me because I like to stop. But then a guy brought me a trailer going to Glen, Burnie, Maryland. If you've watched some of the other videos, you know this run's it's a good run. It's just goofy with a 4 a.m. appointment for Thursday morning, so there's that. But it's about 6 a.m. We're gonna roll out. Sun's coming up. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty sunrise, so maybe I'll try and capture that on the GoPro on the way out. But that's your update for now. We'll check in later. See you. Welcome to Baltimore during afternoon rush hour. About 15 miles from my stop. And this is the fastest I've been going the past half hour. Between the rain and rush hour. Killing me. All that water off to the right. Thing popped up on my phone a while ago about flash flooding. I guess that's what we're talking about. Look at that. Tough walking down the road. You can tell on the camera, but it is coming down. Well, that's what we're dealing with now. So that's your update. What's up, guys? It is Thursday morning, August 13th, and it is 4:20 Central Time, 5:20 Eastern Time. Just got unloaded over here in Glen, Burnie, Maryland. I've got a pre-plan to go up to Agco, pick up a load of tractors that are going to Kentucky. But first, as I was pulling out of the dock, I pulled my trailer brake just to make sure everything was working properly. It wasn't. Got out and looked to make sure my glad ends were connected, and they are. But my secondary airline is cut in half. I have no idea how that happened. But I gotta get that fixed before I can do anything. But since it's only 4:30 back home, I'm sure everybody's sleeping. And I'm gonna actually grab a couple more hours sleep, and then I'm gonna get up and give them a call, and we'll figure it out from there. But that's your update for now. Me tired, me sleepy, me going back to bed. Good night. See you guys later. Good morning, guys. It is still Thursday, August 13th. I may have said Wednesday in another video. I'm not real sure, but it's August 13th. It is now 10 after 8, and the guy just fixed my my airlines that were cut. Poor guy. As you can see, it's still raining, and it poured down yesterday on the way in here, and felt like we had to swim in for the last 50 miles or so. It's not raining quite as bad now as it was when the guy was out there working on my truck. That poor guy. But it's still coming down, and it's supposed to be it's supposed to keep on coming down. But I'm gonna get out of here. We can get these tractors loaded up for Kentucky, and we'll check back in later. Thanks. See you. Bye bye. What's going on, guys? We finally got those tractors loaded up, and as you can tell, we finally got out of the rain. So we're cruising across I-70. Well, we're on I-68 now. We are headed down to Kentucky. I need to slow down. The speed limit's only 40 through here. I thought it'd be neat to get some shots of this little town. I think it's Cumberland, Frostburg, one of the two. But there's a pretty little town. Some neat little buildings going through here. It's a little slow and hard to climb the hill on the other side, but it's just a cool little historic, historic little town. Some cool little churches and stuff over to the right. I just love the architecture and some of that stuff. And it is bumpy. I don't know if any of you guys, any of my friends that watch this video that drive, I don't know if any of you guys have delivered down in here, but it looks pretty tight if you have. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Finally got loaded in the pouring rain. Strapped everything down in the super hot black trailer. That car right there is just dying to run up under my trailer. Oh, he's getting off the exit. Good. Yeah, so we're just gonna get as far as we can tonight, deliver these tractors tomorrow, and then have some more updates, but that's the update for now. We will talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye. Good morning, people. It is Friday, August 15th, I
Turn
think.
right at the traffic light, then take the second left.
So we made it down to Catlettsburg, let's call it a couple different things, Kentucky last night. And we got parked about 9:30, I guess. So we were just able to roll at 7:30. But by the time you do pre-trip, oh, no turn on red, read the signs, Mason. You know, pre-trip, check the fluids, top them off if you need to, and do all that. Closer to 8 o'clock. But, that's alright. We will still be there pretty quick on this first load. And, kick this first tractor off the truck. Hopefully we can make the second one. That's your update for this morning. Like, subscribe, share, dislike, whatever. All the usual things everybody says in these videos. Alright, peace out. Damn. What's up, guys? Me and Big Al. We just got done with our second stop there in Kentucky. We are now, can't make up its mind whether it's to rain or be bright. Speaking of bright, I usually wear my orange shirt when I go to tractors and stuff, so I don't get run over. It's pretty bright. Makes me feel brighter. Probably doesn't work like that, but all right. So anyway, we got both those stops off. As you seen in the video just before, there was a pretty nasty wreck involving a Walmart truck and a car. I don't know what happened there. What I do know is before I went down that road, I missed my turn, so I'm kind of glad that happened. Otherwise, it very well could have been me. Not that it's good that that guy did it or had whatever, but just glad it wasn't me. I went by it and it looks like it got that car pretty good. I have no idea what happened because it had just happened right before I came through. There was a bunch of people out there trying to pull the passenger door open, but from the other side, as I went by, it did not look good. It looked like the driver's side was pretty much underneath the front of that truck, so it looked horrendous. Prayers go out to those people. Hopefully they'll be okay. Anyway, I got those two stops off. And now we are heading back to Ashland City, Tennessee. About 120, 130 miles. And I will be grabbing a load that delivers Monday morning down near Orlando, Florida. It's actually Lakewood, Florida.
Turn left at the traffic light.
So I may end this video here, not with this video, but I may end this video here and then start a new week. Just depends on how much footage I got. Either way, hit the little thumbs up or thumbs down button, like, dislike, subscribe, share. We'll see you soon. Take care.